Good morning, BA Part 1 English Literature students. This is your first paper, that is Poetry and Drama, and today we shall be discussing John Milton's sonnet on his blindness. Now, see, John Milton was a Puritan poet. He was born in the year 1608. His lifespan is 1608 to 1674. And most of the poems which he wrote, they are religious poems, and they are mainly, they connect you with God. Now, this particular sonnet, again, it's a Petrarchan sonnet. It's written in 14 lines. The same Petrarchan pattern. The first 8 lines of the sonnet, they are octave, and the whole idea of the poem is given there. And the remaining 6 lines are the sestet. And the rhyming pattern is A B B A B B A C D E C D E. So, students, first of all, this particular sonnet, see the title, On His Blindness. His pronoun stands for poet himself, John Milton. Because at a young age, at the age of 42, he became blind. And because he is a writer, and anybody, even a common man, to work without your vision, light of eyes, so it's very difficult. And he being a writer, so he presents his particular condition to God, he says, because he was struck with glaucoma disease, and his eyes, because he had to work late hours at night also, and much of reading work in his office. So at very young age, at the age of 42, he has become blind. But his main purpose is to serve God, whether it is through his writing work or whether any type of work. So he says, my duty as a poet is, to write morally for the people, for bringing awareness. So, but because of my blindness, I am physically, mentally, I am at pain. So, he's sort of complaining to God that why he has lost his eyesight. So, I'll just read out these 14 lines. When I consider how my light is spent, before half my days in this dark world and wide, and that one talent which is death to hide, lodged with me, useless, though my soul more bent to serve there with my Maker, and present my true account, lest he returning chide, does God exact day labor light denied? There's a question mark. I fondly ask. I stands for Milton, the poet, first person. But patience to prevent. So, who is the speaker here? In patience is being personified. His own patience, it is responding to him. But patience to prevent that murmur soon replies, God does not need either man's work or his own gifts. Who best bear his mild yoke, they serve him best. His state is kingly, thousands at his bidding speed, and posterior land and ocean without rest, they also serve who only stand and wait. So, see, the first of all, the poet begins with subordinate clause, when. Okay, so this subordinate clause, when, creates a lot of suspense that what is going to happen. So by the line number 7 and 8, you come to that. Now, see, he says, when I consider. So Milton says, when I think about how my light is spent before, ERE, so it's short form of before half my days in this dark world and wide. Now at the age of 42, he's saying that before all, at back, when I had light of my eyes, so the world was too good for me, I could see everything. But now this complete world, not only physically, even I have a lot of pain because the world has become very wide because of darkness, and darkness in the sense that he is also facing literary, talent darkness. That is what. And that, see, he says one talent. He has knack of writing. So he says that one talent which is dead to hide, because his purpose as a writer is to see, to observe, है ना, and to write. So he says, so I cannot hide that talent, but due to my sickness, due to my, what you say, disease of eye, I am not able to pursue my job. So it is lying with me, it is lodged with me uselessly. Though my soul, see his inherent desire, though my soul I am more inclined towards, it's more bent. Line number 5, to serve there with my Maker. M, capital. Maker stands for Lord, God. So he says, I want to work for God. I want to work with God. I don't want to sit idle. Okay, that is the purpose, the karma, and present my true account. So he says, God may have complained against me that I have my duty to serve, to write as a writer, but I want to present my true account that I am having. I am being blind, so how to write? Lest otherwise he, returning child, he would reprimand me, he would scold me, my God, if I don't present my true state. So he is presenting all his, what you say, confusion, all his problem to the Lord. See inverted commas, does God exact day labor light denied? Light here stands for his eyesight. He says, when God has taken away the light of my eyes, so does he want the labor day to day? He wants me to work every day. Okay? So because I have not been able to pursue my job, I fondly ask, this is my question to the Lord. But patience, so his own patience, his inner conscience comes to his assistance. It says, but patience to prevent. I stop that murmur. His inner conscience itself soon replies. What does it reply? God does not need either man's work or his own gifts. Whatever has God given to us, it is his blessing. So why in return he wants his own gifts from human beings? Why? Who best bear his mild yoke? Now here, mild yoke is very important, because mild yoke stands for the patience. Okay, so the people who are very patiently working, okay, they are also serving best, and they will have their fruits. So whoever so bears his mild yoke, they serve him best, they serve Lord best. His state, H again capital, his stands for Lord God. His state is kingly. Now God is having all the amenities. God is not wanting anything. His state is kingly. His state is royal. Thousands at his bidding speed. If he orders, there are so many messengers to attend to him. So why does he require your service? And posterior land, there at distant there is land and ocean without rest. So nature's process goes on. Okay, nothing stops. They also serve. Now see, the last line is very remarkable, and it is generally being quoted of Milton. They also serve who only stand and wait. So here again, patience counts. So if you are doing your duty, and you are waiting patiently, so here John Milton, when he is blind at the age of 42, he is trying to prepare himself, because after becoming blind only, he wrote his two great epics, that is Paradise Lost and Paradise Regained, which was written in 14 volumes. So he is preparing, in a way this is an autobiographical sonnet. Here the poet is preparing himself, that how will I do my job? Is God angry with me at present? when I am completely, lost and not having vision and cannot write. So he is in a way preparing himself. So students, thank you for today. Tomorrow I shall continue the same lecture for you on the same topic. Thank you for your patience. Thank you, students.